Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to troubleshoot your Ninja Blast BC151 blender charging issue. And it's actually very easy and simple. So let me show you what the process should look like. So what you need to do, okay, if you have recently cleaned the unit, some water sometimes gets into the USB-C charging port. Now, the charging port actually is water resistant, but you should have left it to dry for at least 30 minutes, okay, before plugging it back in. Do not submerge the motor base in any liquid, okay, that will damage it. So you just clean the unit, do not submerge the motor base in any liquid. Once you've cleaned the unit, leave it to dry for at least 30 minutes and ensure that you're using the correct charging cable, USB-C, and that the power supply is plugged in to a functional outlet, and it will work. Okay, as long as you take care of those three things. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.